side looks ashy and there is not a lot of coverage. This side looks so chiseled, this side looks so lifted, and this side looks straight. I will be overlining my lip. Hi everyone, it's Shalini. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So does this happen with you that when you're done with your makeup, it does not look good on your face? You feel it is looking bad on your face. It is not enhancing your features, because it has happened with me for sure in the past. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to upscale your makeup, how to do your makeup to make it look good by showing you the wrong and the right way of doing the same steps in my makeup routine. This is going to be my wrong side and this is going to be my right side. Now I always say this, that makeup has no rules, but when you learn the technique now, it can really help to enhance your makeup game. Now today's video is inspired by Jess Celine. I hope I'm pronouncing her name correct. Her video was recommended by YouTube to me, and that's how I figured out let's just do this for brown skin girls, for Indian girls as well. So चलो आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं. So मेकअप में ना स्किन प्रेपिंग बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होती है ताकि आपका मेकअप एशी और केकी ना लगे आपके फेस पे और अच्छे से बैठे भी. So according to your skin type and skin concern, do your skin prep. I'll be applying moisturizer first on the right side, which is the correct side. Next, I'm using some sunscreen, a very important step. Another tip that I'm going to give you regarding skin prep is that कि wait for at least 10 minutes after you're done with your skincare. अगर मैं अभी से मेकअप करना शुरू कर दूंगी, सेटल होने के लिए टाइम नहीं दूंगी, makeup will start slipping away from my face and it won't look good, and I might end up using more product as well. So I'm going to wait for 10 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. अच्छे से स्किन केयर सेट हो चुका है मेरे फेस पे. Let's start with the makeup base. For that, I'll be using primer. Primer जो मैं use कर रही हूँ, this is a mattifying primer. I have extremely oily T-zone area, so this is going to help to mattify the T-zone area and going to control the excess oil production by my skin, and will make sure my makeup will stay put, like stick properly. So I like to just apply यहाँ and around my lips as well. So if you have combination skin or oily skin, apply mattifying primer. और combination और oily के साथ साथ अगर आपके पास pores भी है काफ़ी ज़्यादा, you can use pore filling mattifying primer. And if you have dry skin, you can use hydrating primer on your face. Primer लगाने के बाद my forehead, my nose, around my lips, it is mattified. हल्का हल्का sticky भी है, तो अब इसके ऊपर product अच्छे से बैठेगा. Next, color corrector. I won't be using color corrector on the wrong side, but I'll be using color corrector on the right side. It does make a huge difference. Even on my everyday makeup routines, I love to use color corrector. वो भी थोड़ा सा ही use करना. And with the help of my ring finger, I will start blending this. So what color corrector does is that it makes sure your foundation won't look ashy. It cancels the pigmentation and the darkness that you have on your face, like I have around my lips and under my eyes. I also like to use concealer, which has orange undertone in it. If I'm not using color corrector, that really helps to cancel out pigmentation around my lips and under my eyes. Like this one by Maybelline Age Divine in the shade Caramel. अगर मैं इस साइड कलर करेक्टर यूज करती तो यहाँ और यहाँ तो यूज करती, साथ साथ यहाँ भी यूज करती जहाँ पे मुझे सनबर्न है, where I have pigmentation, guys can see. So अच्छे से कैंसिल आउट हो जाता पिगमेंटेशन, और फाउंडेशन और कंसीलर कम यूज करना पड़ता मुझे without caking up my face. Now once I have color corrected, I like to wait for a minute ताकि color corrector set हो जाए. Many people just go ahead with concealer, फिर कलर करेक्टर उनका अंडरटोन चेंज कर देता है कंसीलर का, एंड देन दे एंड अप यूजिंग मोर कंसीलर टू करेक्ट द अंडरटोन ऑफ द कंसीलर. लॉट्स ऑफ स्टेप. ओके, आफ्टर वेटिंग फॉर 1 मिनट, कलर करेक्टर अच्छे से सेट हो चुका है मेरे फेस पे. नाउ आई कैन अप्लाई कंसीलर. दिस इज अ रियली गुड मैच फॉर माई स्किन टोन. आई बी अप्लाइंग द कंसीलर इनर कॉर्नर के पास, outer corner पे, like that, and around my lips as well. On the wrong side also I'll be doing the same thing around my lips as well. And wherever I can see acne marks, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा नहीं है. On the right side, which is the correct side, मैं कंसीलर को 40 सेकेंड दूंगी. This will make a huge difference because हमको कवरेज बहुत अच्छा मिल जाएगा थोड़ा सा कंसीलर जब सेट हो जाएगा. But on the wrong side, I will just quickly start blending the concealer. एक तो हमने कलर करेक्ट भी नहीं किया और अब हम कंसीलर को भी ब्लेंड कर रहे हैं बहुत जल्दी जल्दी, तो हमको ज़्यादा कवरेज नहीं मिलेगा यहाँ पे और एकदम शेयर सा लगेगा सब कुछ. वेर एन ऑन दिस साइड वेर हैव वेटेड फॉर 40 सेकेंड्स, आप लोग देखना कवरेज हमको काफ़ी अच्छा मिलेगा. एंड बिकॉज वी हैव कलर करेक्टेड, दिस साइड वोंट लुक एशी एट ऑल. एंड अराउंड माई लिप्स as well, and wherever I conceal the acne marks, and you can clearly see the difference. The wrong side looks ashy and there is not a lot of coverage as well. Next up, foundation. थोड़ा सा ही लूंगी in the back of my hand. just picking up in my ring finger. On the correct side, I will apply the foundation in dot motion. And हमेशा कम ही use करना because you can always build up the coverage if you feel like you need more. But I won't be applying foundation यहाँ पे, वहाँ पे केकिया और oily ना लगे, इसलिए foundation नहीं लगाया मैंने वहाँ पे. And also on my forehead मैंने सिर्फ यहाँ पे लगाया, यहाँ पे नहीं लगाया. On the wrong side, I will be applying the foundation the same way that I like to apply the foundation. But I will be using lot of product. Nose के पास भी apply कर दिया and all over my forehead. Now the kind of brush you use also matters. This is a very good fluffy but dense brush. इस brush से ना काफ़ी अच्छे से blend होता है product. So I always like to go in the dab motion like that to spread the product, and I feel like कि मुझे थोड़ा और कहीं coverage चाहिए तो I will drag it little bit. So dab and then drag. Nose के आसपास भली मैंने foundation नहीं लगाया, but foundation brush की मदद से मैं वहाँ पे coverage दूंगी मुझे अपने आप को हल्का सा, trying to diffuse जो भी product बच गया है towards my hairline wherever I have natural contour. For the wrong side, you are using brush which is not dense and you're going with the streak motion. You guys can see आपको लंबे streaks मिल रहे हैं. Even though the foundation is really good, but it is not looking good because we are using wrong kind of brush. So I'll be switching to the right brush now and then blending the product around my nose as well wherever I applied the foundation. फिर यहाँ पे पूरा hairline के पास लेके जाऊँगी मैं. The right side, the base looks so good. It looks like it is for my skin tone and it is very lightweight. The left side, it does look like it is for my skin tone, but it is on the heavier side. Forehead is looking ashy, under eye is looking ashy. And here wherever I have sunburn, that part looks ashy because I have not color corrected. Next time I'll be doing cream contour. So the kind of face structure you have, उस हिसाब से आपको cream contour करना चाहिए. On the right side, I like to just go जहाँ पे मेरा cheekbones है ना, here I have my cheekbones, उसके below हल्का सा एक लाइन खींच दिया. And on the wrong side I'll be doing the same thing, but I will add another thing to it which is going viral nowadays, that is contouring your face like that. This kind of technique doesn't really suit my skin type. और jawline को भी contour करूँगी मैं like that. यहाँ पे jawline के पास ना जाके under the jawline I will apply the contour like that, and slightly on the forehead here again. And I also like to contour my nose, but एकदम छोटे dot में create कर रही हूँ. And on the wrong side I will do the same thing. Now using a very fluffy सा brush, I will start blending the contour. यहाँ पे वो contour apply किया ना, वहीं पे circular motion पे थोड़ा सा नीचे blend कर दिया, थोड़ा सा ऊपर blend कर दिया. So there is no proper way I blended my contour यहाँ पे. But on the right side, I will blend my contour in the upward direction and towards my hairline, maintaining this line that I have created. थोड़ा आगे जाती जाऊँगी मैं ताकि diffused look लगे वो, and making sure there is no harsh line. For my jawline, I will do the same thing, blending it, going back and forth, and behind my ears and थोड़ा neck के पास, ताकि वो एकदम sharp line ना लगे यहाँ पे contour की. But here I will just blend the contour like that, not going below my jawline, and एकदम sharp line दिखेगी. वो अभी आपको इतना समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा, but photographs में 100% समझ में आता है. फोरहेड को भी ब्लेंड कर दिया, बट हेयरलाइन की टूवर्ड्स नहीं ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ, ऑन द रॉन्ग साइड. बट हियर आई विल बी ब्लेंडिंग टूवर्ड्स द हेयरलाइन. And I will pinch my brush and I will blend my nose contour as well. Well, nose contour में तो कोई wrong या right किया नहीं है मैंने. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side. Honestly speaking, the wrong side does not look that bad. Probably in future, if I will lose some weight around my face, मैं ये वाला जो contour technique है वो use कर पाऊँ. But I do have like fuller cheeks, so this kind of contour technique does not look good on my face. If I will look straight, it looks good, but यहाँ थोड़ा left देख लो तो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. Next up, blush. On the wrong side, I'll smile and apply blush on my cheeks and then towards my cheekbones. And on the right side, I will be applying blush here, which is my cheekbone actually. मैं यहाँ पे जहाँ पे मेरी cheek से वहाँ नहीं apply करूँगी. And then I will start blending the blush मेरे cheeks पे and then towards my cheekbones. And here I will start blending पहले outer वाला part, and then जो भी product बच रहा है उसको I will start dragging हल्का towards my cheeks like that. And then contour जहाँ किया था वो लाइन भी दिखनी चाहिए, तो उसके साथ हल्का सा मैंने blend कर दिया है इसको. Now you guys can see this side looks so chiseled up and lifted, and this side is not looking that bad, but I don't prefer a lot of blush on my cheek area. You know, many people do that, like they smile and then they apply the blush. That's how you end up applying a lot of blush and it is not enhancing your features. Before setting, I like to go ahead with my concealer brush under my eyes to avoid any sort of creasing. But here on the wrong side, I won't use my concealer brush. And then taking my powder in my powder puff. See, it's lot. I won't go directly. I will remove the excess and start applying that under my eyes, near my nose, around my lips, under the blush and contour line, on my forehead. And then whatever product is left, I will dab over the blush and the contour line. On the wrong side, I've taken the powder in my powder puff without removing the excess. I will go under my eyes. And now what is happening, I'm using too much product on my face. And wahi jawline ke paas, on my forehead, whatever is left on my blush and contour line. And you guys can see a clear difference यहाँ पे, क्योंकि क्रीज लाइन को मैंने हटाई नहीं थी. क्रीज लाइन के साथ ही मेरा अंडर आई सेट हो चुका है एंड इट लुक्स सो केकी एंड सो बैड. यहाँ पे इवन दो लाइक माई फाइन लाइन्स आर देयर बट इट लुक्स स्मूथ, इट डज नॉट फील और लुक cakey. Moving on to eyebrows. On the right side, I will just remove the excess product from my eyebrows using a tissue paper. See how much product came out. This is going to give me clean canvas to work on. And अब स्पूरी की मदद से I will comb through my eyebrows and then using the pencil side, हल्के हल्के स्ट्रोक से यहाँ पे हल्का हल्का eyebrows को मैं fill कर रही हूँ. एकदम बहुत light handedly मैंने पकड़ के रखा है. So I always make sure कि यहाँ पे ज़्यादा fill ना हो और यहाँ पे ज़्यादा fill हो. Then the eyebrows look natural and fill up the sparse area in here as well. एकदम हल्के हल्के strokes से. And see how beautiful and natural my eyebrows are looking. And this side I've given so much pressure to fill up my eyebrows. एकदम dark कर दिए मेरे eyebrows को मैंने. You guys can see the difference, कितना dark लग रहा है और ये कितना natural लग रहा है. And that's why your makeup does not look that good, you know, because you're filling your eyebrows in a bad way. Next time I'm using eyebrow mascara to set my eyebrows in place. I just follow the natural shape of my eyebrows. And I don't think so कोई गलत तरीके से अपने eyebrows को set कर सकता है. You might just end up using too much eyebrow product on your hair. Eyes के I'm picking a very nice muted brown color, and on the wrong side going to apply this all over my eyelid. And now when I look straight, you guys can hardly see any eyeshadow on my eyes because I have hooded eyes. You guys can see there's this extra skin which is covering my eyelid and you can't really see the eyeshadow that I've applied when I'm looking straight. But on the right side, what I'm going to do, picking the same color, tapping off the excess, I will apply this on my eyelid जैसे मैंने apply किया था, and then removing the excess product from my brush, I'll diffuse the edge of this towards my crease line and slightly winging it out. So my crease is right here, this is my crease line, but I went above my crease line और यहाँ पे मैंने diffuse किया. Can you see the difference? You guys can actually see the eyeshadow on my eyelid by diffusing it towards my crease line. Next I'm taking a very dark brown eyeshadow color. I'm going to define my lower lash line with this. Actually दोनों साइड ही मैं सेम तरीके से डिफाइन कर रही हूँ. There is no right and wrong here. Moving on to inner corner highlight. मैं छोटे से ब्रश में हाइलाइटर लूंगी. And on the wrong side, I will be highlighting inner corner right here. And I will be dragging it slightly towards my lower lash line. Now this kind of highlight suits people who have a lot of inner corner space and eyelid space. But for my eye shape, what kind of inner corner highlight really suits for everyday makeup look is actually highlighting just this part, the inner corner part. Just diffusing the edge a little bit, making sure the highlight is not harsh at all. And then whatever product is left, I will just highlight the eyebrow arc area. हल्का सा. And the both side actually. But यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे diffuse किया ना अपनी finger की मदद से, यहाँ पे नहीं करेंगे. But honestly speaking, sometimes I do like to prefer highlighting my inner corners like this, especially if I'm doing like a very glam makeup look जहाँ पे बहुत सारे eyeshadows मैं use कर रही हूँ. Next up, I'll be curling my lashes before applying mascara on the right side, but रॉन्ग साइड में मैं कर्ल नहीं करूंगी. मस्कारा के लिए मस्कारा लिया, विदाउट रिमूविंग द एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम द मस्कारा, आई विल स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग द मस्कारा ऑन द रॉन्ग साइड. What this will do, it will clump my eyelashes and I will end up using so much product on my eyelashes. But on the right side, mascara liya, remove the excess product, curl through your eyelashes, making sure I'm coating each and every lashes and my eyelashes are not looking clumpy at all. And you can see the difference. This side looks so lifted and this side looks straight and it does not look good at all. Lower lashes में जैसे mascara apply करती हूँ दोनों side वैसे ही apply कर रही हूँ. A tip I'm going to give you is that make sure your wand is lightly coated. Like आपने बहुत ज़्यादा mascara नहीं लिया है lower lashes के लिए भी. Moving on to eyeliner. वैसे तो पहले eyeliner apply करना चाहिए था फिर mascara. But anyway, I'm going to be creating a winged liner. And on the wrong side, I'll be creating a very thick wing liner covering a lot of my eyelid space and filling it up. जो भी स्पेस दिख रहा है मुझे with the liner. And on the right side, again I'm going to be creating a wing liner, but मैं thick wing eyeliner नहीं create करूँगी. मैं बहुत ही subtle सा wing eyeliner create करूँगी that will enhance my eye flick first. and then look down, and midway I will stop and then fill up the gaps जो भी दिख रहे हैं। थोड़ा सा फ्लिक को भी करेक्ट किया मैंने यहाँ पे, अभी हाफ वे में रुक गई थी। एंड नाउ आई विल गो टूवर्ड्स the inner corners, एकदम पतली पतली लाइन क्रिएट कर रही हूँ मैं। The right side and the wrong side, because I used a thick eyeliner on the wrong side, it has actually covered half of my eyelid, and आपको स्ट्रेट देखने पे तो मेरे आई शैडो के कलर दिख भी नहीं रहे होंगे। आई डू समटाइम्स प्रिफर दिस काइंड ऑफ eyeliner, but when I'm only wearing eyeliner and not anything else, no eyeshadow, but here I am wearing eyeshadow, I want to show the eyeshadow that I'm wearing and inner corner highlight as well. That's why जो eyeliner मैंने apply किया है ना on my hooded eyes, this kind of eyeliner works for me the best. You can see the eyeshadows pretty well here, and the eyeliner is also looking good, and it is defining my eye shape so beautifully. Next a powder blush, so I like to go light handedly, बहुत ही हल्की हल्की हाथों से, जहाँ पे लिक्विड ब्लश अप्लाई किया था ना वहीं पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ। बट ऑन द रॉन्ग साइड आई विल गो स्लाइटली हेवी हैंडेडली, बिल्कुल ध्यान ना दे कि ज्यादा लग रहा है कम लग रहा है। आई ऑल्सो लाइक टू अप्लाई ब्लश ऑन माई नोज, सो वो भी अप्लाई कर देते, एंड स्लाइटली ऑन माई चिन। सेटिंग माई फेस, देयर इज नो रॉन्ग एंड राइट फॉर सेटिंग माई फेस, थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस से ही सेट करना है। बट आफ्टर सेटिंग आई ऑलवेज लाइक टू फैन माई फेस, विच आई एम डूइंग ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द फेस. I will take a beauty sponge, a dry beauty sponge, and start pressing the product that I've applied, the setting spray, furthermore into my skin. This will make sure there's no extra shine on my face, and you will see the difference. Can you see? Next, I'm taking highlighter on my highlighter brush, and wrong side mein I'm applying highlighter on the highest point of my face in circular motion, but I'm also dragging it towards my cheeks. Now this highlighter looks bomb, but it is kind of highlighting the texture also on my face, which I don't want, and I don't want highlighter on my cheeks. But on the right side, I'm going to be applying the highlighter just on the highest point of my face. ठीक है, and then fingers की मदद से I will push it furthermore into my skin like that. एकदम subtle सा रखूँगी मैं अपना highlighter. यहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा लग रहा है highlighter. And on the wrong side, I'm going to be highlighting the tip of my nose like that, but on the right side I'm going to be highlighting just the bridge of my nose. It's time to do my lips. On the wrong side I will be overlining my lip a lot. I mean ये मेरा natural lip line है, उसके above जा रही हूँ मैं बहुत ज़्यादा. But on the right side I will be overlining, but एकदम हल्का सा, kind of following the natural shape of my lip line only, but बहुत हल्का सा overline किया मैंने. और लोअर लिप में भी सेम तरीके से आउटलाइन कर रही हूँ मैं. लिपस्टिक अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. नो राइट एंड रॉन्ग वे ऑफ अप्लाइंग लिपस्टिक, जस्ट मेकिंग श्योर कि लिप लाइन के साथ ब्लेंड हो गया मेरा लिपस्टिक. एंड द वेरी फाइनल स्टेप, दिस इज़ फॉर द राइट साइड. आई जस्ट लाइक टू टेक लिटिल बिट ऑफ द कॉन्टोर, पाउडर कॉन्टोर, एंड यहाँ पे हेयर लाइन के पास अप्लाई करना पसंद करती हूँ मैं, ताकि ऐशी ना दिखे मेरा फोरहेड. एंड वी आर डन विद द मेकअप. दिस इज द राइट साइड, दिस इज द रॉन्ग साइड. द रॉन्ग साइड इज नॉट लुकिंग बैड एक्चुअली, इट्स जस्ट दैट इट इज नॉट एनहांसिंग माई फीचर्स दैट वेल एज कम्पेयर टू द राइट साइड. द राइट साइड इज एक्चुअली द वे आई लव टू डू माई मेकअप टू enhance my features, to make sure the makeup does not look cakey, it's not too much on my face. And that's the power of makeup also. When you use right product with right kind of technique, it can really help to enhance your features, and your makeup will look good and not bad on your face. So yes, definitely try to work on your technique and figure out what kind of technique and product works for your face. I really hope you found today's video informative and helpful and learned something new from today's video. ऐसे और makeup content देखने के लिए do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's hit 500k subscribers soon on my channel. It is my this year's goal to be able to hit 500k subscribers. Like and share this video with your friends and family, and do not forget to comment. I would love to know what are your thoughts on this right versus wrong kind of makeup look. And I'm going to see you guys pretty soon with brand new content on my channel. Bye everyone. Take care.